So I'm going to get the grape and I'm going to put it right on here so that our little line is face up. And then I'm going to roll the grape along the line, rolling, 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 looking for our line. Where's our line? Whoa, and that's how far the grape rolled. And then we're going to count how many grapes we could fit. One, two, three, and a little bit. So that was our grape.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do the apple. We're going to put our apple on the starting line. And we're going to roll the apple. Roll, 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 roll. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Wow, look how far the apple's going. All the way till that's up top. And then we're going to make a line. And then we have to see how many apples will fit. 1, 2, 3, and a little bit. And now the apple's done. We're going to do the orange. We're going to make a starting point. I'm going to get my line on the top. And then I'm going to roll the orange. Here it goes. It's rolling, 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 rolling. What's going to roll further? The apple or the orange? Up. And that's how far the orange went.
Huh?
And then we're going to see how many oranges fit in there. 1. Oh, this orange is juicy. Did you try eating the orange? 2. Our pen's losing steam. 3. And a little bit. See a little bit? 3 and a little bit.